As shown in the picture, 6 squares form a rectangle. The smallest square has an area of 4 square centimeters. Question: what is the area of the rectangle? Okay, let's get started. To know the area of the rectangle, we need to know its length and width first. It seems a bit far from the given conditions. Don't worry, first let's number each square. Currently, we can only calculate that the side length of the first square is 2 centimeters. Let's take it step by step. Let's assume the side length of the second square is x cm. Since squares 2 and 3 share a side, the side length of the third square is also x cm. The side length of the fourth square is the sum of the third square and the first square, which is x plus 2 centimeters. Using the same method, the side length of the fifth square is x plus 4 centimeters. The side length of the sixth square is x plus 6 centimeters. Is that clear? Now, look at these two line lengths. They are the same length, so 2 plus x plus 6 equals 2x. From this, it is easy to calculate that x equals 8 centimeters. So, the length of the rectangle is 26 centimeters. And the width is 22 centimeters. The final answer doesn't fit here, you can calculate it yourselves.